Hello guys, how are you? David here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the subject pronouns and regular verbs in present tense in Spanish works. So don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Okay, subject pronouns. In English, there are 7 subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Spanish includes these same basic pronouns but also has additional forms to indicate gender. In Spanish, the pronouns for we, they, and the plural form of you each have masculine and feminine versions. Furthermore, Spanish distinguishes between formal and informal you in both singular and plural forms, resulting in 4 different pronouns for you. So let's see what is the subject pronouns in Spanish. So I, it would be yo, tú, you in informal way in singular form, él, he, ella, she, usted, you in the formal way. So nosotros, we, nosotras, we, if you want to refer a group of female, vosotros, you all, vosotras, you all in informal way, ellos, they, ellas, female they, and ustedes, you all in the formal um, way. Okay, so it's important to note that the informal plural form vosotros is primarily used in Spain, while ustedes is used for both formal and informal situations across most of Latin America. Additionally, the word it is typically implied in Spanish, meaning there is no specific subject pronoun for it. So Infinitives verbs in Spanish. The verb in its basic form represents the concept of the verb without indicating any specific action. In English, all infinitives include the word to, such as to sing, to eat, to live, etc. In Spanish, all infinitives end in AR, ER, and IR. So the infinitive verbs in Spanish are divided in 3 groups: AR, ER, IR. So here we have some example. So AR ending verbs, for example, amar, hablar, andar, llegar, bailar, etc. ER group: aprender, deber, beber, leer, comer, etc. IR group: abrir, escribir, admitir, existir, asistir, permitir, etc. Conjugation verbs. In English, verb conjugation is quite minimal. I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks, we speak, they speak. In Spanish, however, there are 6 different verbs endings for each tense, corresponding to the 6 subject pronouns groups: singular and plural forms of first person, second person, and third person pronouns. Each conjugated verb form in Spanish clearly indicates the subject, person, and number, as well as the timing of the action. Okay, so here we have the subject pronouns and the 3 groups of verbs in Spanish. So the endings are the following. So, for example, cantar. Cantar is a AR ending verb. So if you want to conjugate, you need to drop the ending ar, and then you have to add these new endings for every single subject pronoun. For example, for yo cantar is wrong. It's yo canto. Tú cantas. Él, ella, usted canta. Nosotros cantamos. Vosotros cantáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes cantan. You see, it's very simple. Remember, you need to drop the ending and add the new endings depending of the subject pronoun. For example, let's see the er ending verbs. For example, beber. Beber is to drink. Yo bebo. I drink. Tú bebes. You drink. Él bebe. He drinks. Ella bebe. She drinks. Nosotros, nosotras bebemos. We drink. Vosotros, vosotras bebéis. You all drink. Ellos, ellas beben. They drink. Ustedes beben. You all drink. So it's simple. So let's see the IR ending verbs. For example, vivir. Vivir is to live. For example, yo vivo, tú vives, él vive, nosotros vivimos, vosotros vivís, ellos, ellas, ustedes viven. Okay, so here we have some exercise. So you will pause the video and you will try to translate these verbs. You will try to conjugate these verbs and then I will show you the answers. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so did you do? Easy, right? So let's check the answers. So the first one it was I speak. So I speak, yo hablo. She opens, ella abre. You drink, tú bebes. He sings, él canta. We live, nosotros vivimos. They masculine walk, ellos caminan. I understand, yo comprendo. You run, tú corres. We don't decide, nosotros no decidimos. They female don't read, ellos, ellas no leen. Okay, so here we have some negative sentence. If you want to express a negative sentence, you have to place the word no directly before the verb. Okay? So, ellas no leen, nosotros no decidimos, tú no corres, yo no comprendo, ellos no caminan. Okay? So, I think that is all for today video. I hope I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you like, don't forget to follow. If you want to learn in more Spanish, and if you want to practice, I will leave a link in the description below if you want to practice more exercise. So, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao. Adios.